So I'm going to show you how to delete voice recordings from your Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. So this is very simple. Just go to the Meta AI app and then go to settings on your glasses. And then if you scroll down, you should see glasses privacy. You can tap on that and then you'll see voice activity log. So you tap on that and then you can see all the voice commands you've given your glasses. And so if you want to, you can delete all, right? Now, if you want to delete a specific entry, you just slide and then confirm you want to delete. But if you want to delete everything, then you just tap on the delete all button and then confirm you want to delete all, and that's going to delete all your voice recordings or voice activity. Now, if you don't want your phone or Meta to store your voice prompts or voice commands, you can come here and disable that. Okay. Thanks for watching and good luck.